Can we take a break?
Yes, let's take a short one.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we're red, them you.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's available.
Did you call me?
No, I didn't.
Is it too hot in here?
No, it feels quite comfortable.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Are you good at remembering names?
I try my best, but sometime I forget.
What book are you reading?
I am reading a mystery novel.
Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning.
Where is your apartment?
My apartment is downtown.
Do you open it Indian pasta?
Yes, I often eat Indian pasta.
Why did you quit your job?
Because I hate my boss.
Did you like this job?
I wasn't bad, but I want a better one.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, what do you want to know?
When did you buy your Toyota Camry?
I bought it 3 months ago.
Do you often have free time?
No, I don't often have free time.
Are you going to the party?
Yes, I plan to attend.
Can I get you anything?
Just a glass of water, please.
Have you decided yet?
Yes, I've made my decision.
Is it okay if I join you?
Of course, feel free to join.
Do you like the food?
Yes, it's delicious.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you perfectly.
Is this offer still valid?
Yes, the offer is still on.
Are you interested in art?
Yes, I am very interested in art.
Can we change the subject?
Of course, let's talk about something else.
Is there a problem with your meal?
No, everything tastes great.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
Is it safe to walk here at night?
Yes, it's quite safe around here.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I've traveled to a few countries.
Can I trust you with this?
Yes, you can trust me.
Are you waiting for someone?
No, I am not waiting for anyone.
Did you go anywhere on your last vacation?
No, I didn't go anywhere.
Why didn't you go anywhere?
Because I didn't have time for it.
Is there a nice coffee shop around here?
Yes, there is an amazing coffee shop around the corner.
Can I speak to Alexander, please?
I'm sorry, he is far moment.
Is there a bank near here?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
How long does it take?
It takes an hour.
Have you been waiting long?
Only a few minutes.
What are you planning for after work?
I'm going shopping with my friends.
What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure yet.